The city government of Makati, through the Department of Environmental Services, envisions the emergence of a highly urbanized, world-class financial center, where its citizens work and live in an ecologically balanced environment. To achieve this mission, the city developed and implements programs and projects that ensure the active participation of all sectors of the community. Last January of 2017, the department, with the management of its current department head, Engineer Leopoldo V. Perumag, and with the leadership and support of the Honorable Mayor Marlene Abigail Espinay, established the Pollution Control and Regulation Division, which aims to execute the city's programs on pollution control and abatement. The city has been implementing programs and projects to mitigate and abate different types of pollution in water, land, noise and air. To address air pollution, the city government of Makati implements City Ordinance 2004-032, or an ordinance enacting the Makati City Vehicle Emission Control Code. The Makati City, having identified vehicle emissions as the main source of air pollution in the city despite existing national regulations, took appropriate and concrete measures to eliminate or mitigate the problem by coming up with its own vehicle emission control standards. This ordinance is enacted pursuant to the mandate of the city to promote the welfare of its constituents, and it operates within the minimum air quality standards set forth in Republic Act No. 8749, or the Clean Air Act of 1999. The city also extends its support to motorists by conducting free emission testing and muffler cleaning activities during the environmental celebrations like Earth Hour, Earth Day, Clean Air Month, Environment Month, among others. The Department of Environmental Services, through the Pollution Control and Regulation Division, has reinforced several existing projects such as Project Hanging, which means healthy air and good indoor environment. This project primarily focuses on the monitoring of indoor air quality of establishments and business offices. In 2017, the city has procured the ADR 1500, or the Thermo Air Dust Monitor, which was used for monitoring indoor and outdoor air quality in the city government buildings last November of the same year. This 2018, the department is currently monitoring health centers to identify high-risk areas and, at the same time, develop responsive interventions to abate air pollution and address indoor health hazards. Furthermore, the department, through its Pollution Control and Regulation Division, also spearheaded the Clean Fleet Management training last December 4, 2017, which capacitated the city government personnel on the importance of preventive maintenance of government-owned fleets, to analyze the impact of fuel consumption, and to develop specific solutions to improve fuel efficiency. Just last May 22nd and 23rd, the department conducted the 2018 Clean Fleet Management Forum with a theme entitled Training of Trainers on Eco-Driving and Clean Fleet Management, together with Partnership for Clean Air. This training was intended to capacitate city government personnel on proper fleet management. Another environmental problem that we need to address is noise nuisance. The city, through its council, has crafted the Anti-Noise Pollution Code of Makati City. Armed with the ordinance, and with the use of the sound level meter RS-232 data logger, the city is set to monitor all sources of noise nuisance within the city's jurisdiction. For example, those located in the business area like restaurant, bar, KTV, among others. If properly addressed, health effects such as high blood pressure, sleep disruption, hearing and productivity loss, environmental effects like changes in animal behavior, which has a flow-on effects for the whole ecosystem, and social effects like complaints against noisy neighbor, mostly leading to hostilities, will soon be lessened. Also, as part of the local initiative to contribute to climate change mitigation, the city government of Makati responded through actions that entail activity data inventory and setting the management framework plan for its entity and community level. Last 2012, the city of Makati first completed inventories of emissions for both government operations, or the entity level, and the community governed by the LGU, or the community level. Based on the understanding of emissions provided by these inventories, the city government of Makati sets to create a GHG management plan, which will serve as a blueprint to reduce future emissions through policy initiatives, projects, and program of activities. To be able to sustain this initiative, the City Council enacted last August 2017 The City Ordinance Number 2017-091, otherwise known as the Makati City GHG Reduction Ordinance. The first ever policy instituted by a local government unit related to GHG management. The said ordinance aims to efficiently monitor city-level emission by requiring all commercial establishments to submit their respective GHG emission inventory as a requirement of their business permit renewal. Part of which is the institutionalization of a GHG tracker system, which aims to lower the time and resources required for data capturing, formatting, and calculating GHG emission. The analysis and report generated by the tracker system will enable the city to gain visibility into the contribution of emission coming from various sectors and identify emission drivers and priority areas. All these initiatives considered, Makati, like all other global cities, is ready to become a sustainable city for a cleaner, greener, and smarter community.